Don't do that. This is Noah's car. He's at the gym. We're fixing his stereo because we like music and it doesn't work. So we're gonna pop this off to get access to the head unit. I think that might not do anything.
Alright, so this screw just comes out.
As one does. What is holding this thing in there?
Need a good chug. Uh-oh. So the alarm for the radio is going off. Because it thinks it's being stolen. Jesus.
It is pretty much being stolen. Wait, good.
Oh, that works. Explain what we're doing.
We're trying to open the trunk right now.
For what reason, though?
Because there's an amplifier in the trunk that might just not be working right. There should be some things back here.
Oh, well, there it is. Oh, that was still on there?
Yeah, dude, that's awesome.
JL Audio, boy.
Wow, there's OEM inputs. Well.
That's a clean sweep.
Wait.
Ooh.
Wait.
So this is what we're working with right now. We got a lot of wires around here that really, we have no clue where they go. As you can see, that one's not even grounded on anything. There's a bunch of wires right down there. But the biggest problem is, clearly somebody was messing around with it. As you can see there's a lot of connections that were made everywhere. The issue currently is that this is not, as we knew, this is not the original amplifier, but there's also so many wires just all over the place that aren't connected to anything, and we need to figure out where those wires are supposed to connect to, because right now even the amp itself isn't getting any power with the car turned on and the stereo system turned on. So we'll keep you updated and figure out what we can figure out.
We are weight reducing Cecil. We're not gonna go too crazy like I did, and some of you has seen my previous winter beater, Ron. He was fully stripped out. This car is gonna be half and half. We're gonna keep the back seats. We're keeping most of the functioning pieces in the interior, like the door cards, door handles, everything like that. But we are taking out the carpets and the rear spare tire and all the tools and all the everything that's in here. Because frankly, I think this car could move at a little bit faster pace.
Production to be done here.
Oh my god.
Yo, it has tools.
I think we should get rid of these things. Hey, should I just hit it with a mallet?
Yes.
Alright.
That is too light.
Oh, we got the strap broken, so that's good.
Don't be doing that, bro. You're gonna break my window.
This is the right tool for the job. Looking for fossils over here?
There it is.
Bro, it works perfectly.
That was easy.
This is... Ah!
Oh, there you go. Wow, that looks so much better.
Jesus.
I'm making progress.
Oh, bro,
Let's get this thing out first. These are not attached.
Oh, this piece weighs tremendous amounts of weight.
Fold it all up. Make sure it fits nice in the dash.
It's not gonna. Basket weaves more.
Yeah, no, I mean, we're gonna keep and burn this out, right?
It's got a corroded wing nut.
Material.
Hold this. Hold this. Oh my god. Where are those scissors at?
Oh god.
Here, give me that. Yeah, you think this clean sweep JL Audio thing is worth anything?
No. Take that thing
Oh
out.
my god, this thing looks like it got massacred.
Oh, I found plenty of extensions.
Oh my god.
This is the worst wired car I've... What is this?
Let me see that.
Wait, I don't want to take it out. It's important.
Oh, what?
It's attached to a lot
That's
of
so
stuff.
long. Just shove it under the seat
I
and
know.
forget about it.
We're gonna give her a quick little clean. I think it deserves it. Stop. That is overkill. You're ruining my electronics.
No, that's clean now, bro.
Oh, nice. You can access the rear.
Oh, that looks cut.
No, this is all Velcro. Oh,
What
this.
do you boys?
We could reduce some of the weight back there.
I see it happening. That was brilliant.
Jesus Christ!
Bro, you solid 4-pound piece right there. Bro, I see the mounting
No, heads up.
That was awesome.
Put that pike right up here, bro. I'm gonna give it a little ding.
All the way through.
Oh god, Jackson. That's it.
Wait, do it one more time.
Don't do that.
Too
far. Come on, Jackson. You know better.
I'm just gonna clean it off with this. Noah, how's it feeling with the rate reduction?
Downshift's nice.
Nice!
I'm kidding. But honestly, this car, like, it's not unagile. It's just not as agile as, like, an E30 would be.
Yeah. I don't want to ride. I want an operation, bro.
No, no. You gotta give me the keys. You got a front plate? No plate. Front plate. I hate it.